Hello, for the last tutorial using this little example, uh, what I've done so far is I've just copied all the code over. The only thing I've changed is this comment. So now what we're doing is if they are older than 21, we're going to invite them in. If they are 21 exactly, we're going to give them a free drink. And if they are younger than 21, we're going to tell them to go away. So starting at the top, if they are older than 21, invite them in. Well, all I have to do here is remove this equal sign. Now they have to be, or now age has to be greater than 21. It can't just be 21 anymore. So what I want to say is if they are not older than 21, I want to check if they are 21. So I want to say else if I can type, else if is essentially what I'm gonna say. So like if this is false, then check something else. But the way you say else if in Python is they just smash the words together and call it elif. So it stands for else if. So if this is false, then I want to check. I want to see if age is equal to 21. And if it is, I'm going to print have a drink on the house. So if this is still false, then we go to our last case here and we just print get out of here. Because if they are not older than 21 and they're not 21, then that means they have to be younger than 21 and they can't be in a bar. So let's run this to make sure it's working the way we think it is. So please enter your age. Let's use 25. We see come in friend. We don't see any of this or this as we expect. So let's run it again. And we'll say we're 5. And again, just like last time, we just see get out of here because this was false, so it was ignored. This was also false, so this got ignored. So we just printed this out. So now let's say that we are 21 exactly. And we don't see come in old friend print because age is not greater than 21, it is 21. So that is why this is true, meaning that have a drink on the house gets printed out. And yep, that's it. Those are else if statements. So I'm going to try to trick you guys in an effort to explain something. So what if I slid this equal sign back in? And now I say if age is greater than or equal to 21, print this stuff out. So if we run this again, and we put our age as being 21, what do we expect to see? Well, do we expect to see come in old friend, have a drink on the house? Well, let's see. We see come in old friend, but we don't see have a drink on the house, even though age is equal to 21. So what happened? So because we said else if, we only check this condition if this condition is true, or if this condition is false, sorry. So since this condition is true, since 21 is greater than or equal to 21, this prints out, and we don't even check anything else because, again, this is because of the else if, we're only checking to see if age is equal to 21 if this is false. So I just wanted to clear that up. That can trip you up at some points. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.